We are here today to address some common mistakes made on ballots. First, let's talk ink. You may not know it, but the color of the pen you use is super important when it comes to ballots, so always make sure you are using a pen, not a pencil, with black or blue ink. This may seem like common sense, but it is important to fill out the ballot bubbles accurately. Think dark and inside the lines. Whiteout is not allowed to be used, so make sure you have the right bubble. If you make a mistake, a new ballot must be requested. To request a new one, contact your local elections officer. If you do choose to write someone in, make sure to use clear, legible handwriting. Make sure to place your ballot inside of the return envelope and follow all instructions. Do not forget to sign the outside of the envelope using the same signature on your driver's license or other government documents. This year, to make sure your vote counts, use a legal Dropbox. There are many websites that can provide the addresses and times of drop boxes. A legal Dropbox has your county's logo and seal, so watch out for that. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps, and be sure to share with your family and friends.